Hi, this is Group 9 and today we'll be going over our home monitoring system, which is our final project for MECH2502. The purpose of the system is to monitor a home. It is able to do so through using three primary subsystems. The first is the alarm system, which uses sensors to detect whether the door has been opened or closed. If any of the three doors are opened when the alarm is engaged, a siren will be set off. The second subsystem is the garage door. The garage door is open and closed when an external sensor is pressed due to the weight of the entering vehicle. The third subsystem is an outdoor monitoring system which detects motion. In the event a body is approaching or departing, pictures are recorded using a camera and stored in the computer. Now we'll be discussing the types of sensor used in our project. Three Hall effect sensors were used to monitor the doors of the house. The sensors were statically mounted directly off of the door. Magnets were then directly connected to the door's edges so that the Hall effect sensor will experience a low signal of 0 volts when the door is closed and a high signal of 5 volts when the door is opened. When an internal alarm is set in LabVIEW and any of the doors are opened, a siren can be triggered in order to deter potential intruders. As well, two force sensing resistors are used to detect weight on the driveway and within the garage. The force sensing resistor is used primarily as a digital sensor. Thus, when a car travels over the force sensing resistor that is on the driveway, the garage door opens. Then when a car travels over the force sensing resistor in the garage, the door will close. This process will repeat when leaving the garage.
The servo motor job is to function as an actuator, where it opens and closes the garage door when pressure is applied to the force sensing resistor. The servo motor is attached to a shaft that is fixed to the garage door. A voltage signal is sent to the servo motor using LabVIEW, causing it to rotate to the 90-degree position and enabling the automobile to enter the garage. To close the garage door, a voltage signal can be written to the servo, settling it to the 0-degree position. Lastly, we have the ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor in this system is used to measure the distance between a nearby object and the sensor itself. In the system, it is used to detect the distance of the approaching person and can be used to determine if they are approaching or departing from the house. The sensor is mounted directly above the door. It also detects when motion occurs within 30 centimeters, thus enabling an image to be captured from the camera and stored on a computer.
This is a video to show a quick demonstration of our system. First, we have the Hall effect sensor. As soon as the door is open, an alarm is going to go off. And once the door is closed again, the alarm is going to go off. And this process is repeated for the side door, followed by the back door as well. We can also shut off the alarm system, so now you can see when the door is open, there isn't any alarm. Second of all, we have the force resisting sensor. So as soon as the sensor detects any force, it's going to open the garage door, and once the car proceeds inside and touches the second force resisting sensor, it's going to lead to closing the garage door. The process is going to get repeated vice versa. So once the car touches the inside sensor, it's going to open the garage door, and once it leaves and touches the second pad, it's going to close the garage door. Third of all, we have the ultrasonic sensor, and it measures distance, so it detects if someone's approaching or departing from the front door.
The following are our references.